-1 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Car's been sitting for 24 hours. Just installed a new AGM H7 94R battery in the car. It's been in for about a week. Had previous starting problems at this temperature, so we'll see how it does. Gonna cycle the glow plugs twice, helps them get nice and hot. In the past, I'd run the glow plugs, hit the key, would crank for about 2 seconds and wouldn't start. So one cycle's done, a second cycle. All right, wasn't the best start, but had plenty of power to crank. That's success in my book. Bye.